Hello again everybody, especially to those who are looking for a job. Another job position which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, March 14, Thursday. The job description for this is sales. This is actually a commercial cooking utensils or confectionery and cooking equipments. So we're looking for 2 people for this, and the job location is in Taito-ku in Tokyo. The working hours for this starts from 9:30 a.m. until 17:45. The salary for this is 250,000 yen to 270,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. And by the way, this company is looking for an English speaker at the same time conversational Japanese. So we're looking for a long-term or a spouse visa or a Japanese citizen. So this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Thursday. The interview location will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So anyone who is willing to apply for this job, please let us know. You can also call our office number at 0362068058. For other jobs, we do have other jobs scheduled for interview. We have scheduled from Monday to Sunday. So our schedule is 12 o'clock. For visa change, or if any one of you are looking for a visa processing company, we also have visa support. So let us know. Thank you.